This goes to all business owners out there, and I'll try to keep it short. There are different reasons why we start up businesses, but these businesses have stages. Why is it important to know these stages? Because without them, I mean the stages, it is difficult to know if we are progressing, stagnant, or not progressing, so that we can reinvent ourselves. As usual, I am Tony Mugisha from Aton Capital. As a founder of a business, you need to get familiar with stages, and we shall divide them into stage, behavior, and focus. Stage 1 is the startup stage. Your behavior here is you are doing everything. I'm sure many of you business owners are familiar with that stage. Your focus in this stage is the vision. You don't want to lose it. Stage 2 is the growth stage. Your behavior here is simply that of a person that needs help. This could be from signing on more staff to work with you, and when they do, your focus goes to learning and teaching the staff you signed on. Stage 3 is professionalization. This is when you now become professional and sign up people that can professionally handle your business, e.g. accountants, tax consultants, and advisors. At this stage, your focus is on standardization. You are still learning and teaching too, but most importantly, handling talent retention better. The last stage is stage 4, the maturity stage, where you now let professionals take the lead and your focus goes on mentoring. So, if you are a business owner watching, this is where I ask you, do you know what stage your business is at? And also, how much time you should spend in each stage? As financial advisors, here at Aton Capital, this is the kind of stuff we figure out for you, so you can thrive in this world of uncertainty. You can reach out today or help share this clip with a business owner you know that needs to see it as food for thought. In case you want to have a chat, the handles are on your screen. I am Tony Mugisha, over and out.